Hey, how it's going? Bruno Semedo here. If you're watching this video right now, then you are probably doing some research online about affiliate marketing and some of the best affiliate marketing products. So for those who don't know me, my name is Bruno Semedo and I'm an online entrepreneur. I've been online for a while and well, I've made some mistake along the way. And that's why today I'm bringing this topic to make sure that you don't make the same mistake, to save some time and some headaches, of course. And one of the mistakes it comes to choosing an offer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before choosing an offer, you have to choose a niche. That's why the first step toward building your own hugely profitable money-making machine is to find yourself a niche where there are a lot of quality products that you can promote and where there's a lot of money to be made, of course, And I'm going to present to you some of the best niche I know. And this niche hard where success is almost guaranteed because there is so much money to be made and you don't even have to be a big player in this niche to be making really good money. So the first one is weight loss. This is a huge niche that appeals to a very wide audience because pretty much everyone is interested in losing weight at some point in their life. People wants to be in their best shape. So any offer or product that appeals, for example, to a woman aged 35 plus can make a good sale of weight loss product. And if you really understand about human body and you know the right exercise, the right diets and about nutrition, you should definitely try this one. There is also fitness, there is no nutrition and all those as niches related to the weight loss. So the second one is dog training. Now this is unusual and fantastic niche because there are a lot of common dog behavior problems out there, and a lot of misbehaving dog is a big problem. So these people are uh, willing to spend money on a solution because people in this niche are passionate about their dogs and love learning about them and spending money on them. So if you truly cares and understand about dogs, this is a good news for you. So the third one is the self-help. This is usually called the health, wealth, and mindset niche. It is actually a cross-section of a lot of others niche. Basically anything to do with improving yourself, your relationship, or your situation in life. People in this niche tend to be addicted to the self-help products. They don't see a problem in spending money on multiple products because they are invested in themselves. So if you understand a little bit about human psychology or whatever, as long as you can help people improve their lives, you should do fine. And you can go even deeper and narrow by choosing a sub niche such as anger management, stress management, anxiety management, and all that. So great opportunity for ongoing commission here. And uh, my favorite one, make money online, internet marketing. Of all this one delivers the average dollar per subscriber due to the high price of products you will promote and the passion paying experience by products. So many prospects will see this product as being good investment. So conversion can be relatively high and it is not unusual for a affiliate like you with a big subscriber list to earn tens of thousands of dollars from the launch of a, for example, $2,000 product. So my friend, this sort of launch happen very frequently in this niche. And the next one is spirituality and alternative belief. This one is closely related to the self-help niche with a big crossover in demographics. Subscriber in this niche love discovering more about themselves and their place in the universe, and about all the energy, those stuffs. So they particularly love getting free reports about themselves, which easily convert to paid products. Now, what exactly make this niche great, what make them stand out, and what is so special about them, one of the reasons is they are evergreen, meaning they never expire, and people will always need to lose weight. People will always have problem with their dog behavior badly, and people will always need relationship advice. By the way, um, that is another niche that you can go to, relationship advice or parenting and all the stuff. So this niche will still be popular in years to come. So you will have a long lasting business. Also, they are proven profitable. And in this niche, people are already making good money. And if you are having a difficulty time find affiliate offer for your niche, stay away from that niche. And unless you are an experienced marketer, it is always recommended to look for the niche where people are already making a lot of sales. So there is always room for another person like you at the table, because these niche are massive, and it's a lot less risk than looking for the next big thing, Now, next step is finding affiliate programs, So once you have chosen one of the niches that I mentioned, you start begin looking for things you can promote, All the niches I've mentioned before have a lot of great products, so this part should be easy. So the first thing to do is you go to networks, and my the first network that I recommend to go is ClickBank, And inside clickbank.com you can check what's called the gravity score. That is measure of popularity of the affiliate offer, And you can also go to JVZoo. There's also Warrior Plus, and there are tons of others products, networks out there that you can find products to promote. Now, uh, now that you go to those network, you need to choose a winning offer. Because not all affiliate offers are created equally. So you may promote several products as an affiliate where you do everything right, and then you sit back and wait for the dollars to start rolling in, right? So, and voila, nothing. And you feel yourself with question about what happened or didn't happen, So my advice to you is, when that happens, is that you may want to change the affiliate offer, and when you choose the right one, well, that's how you make dollars start pouring in. That's how it is important to choose the right one, a winning one, to can be to your success. So there are tens of thousands of available affiliate offers, so choosing the right one might seem overwhelming. So I'm going to present to you some of the steps that, if you follow, you will have no problem find the right offer. So the first tip is to dig a little. Affiliate offers are everywhere. You can find lots of best one inside affiliate networks that I mentioned before. So you want to review their marketing. And if you want to know which affiliate offers attract most customers, pretend you are their customers. Watch their video sales letter, read through their sales page. It is compelling. Does it make you want to buy? So if it does, they are probably sell a lot of their products. So they may be a good fit for you. And the next thing you want to do, you want to subscribe to their email list. Here is a great tip. Before you commit to choosing any affiliate offer, get on their email list, then watch their emails for a couple of weeks. You will immediately be able to differentiate the winning ones from the rest. And the last one is review their products. Most affiliate will give you review a couple of their products, So once they do go through it thoroughly, if it's top quality, if they may it may be worth going with them as an affiliate offer. So you should only be considering offer that is that you know will help your subscriber. After all, they were on your list first. So those are the tips that I wanted to bring today, and so that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if so, if you have some question, just let me know in the comment below. And if you enjoy watching this video, leave some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified every time I come up with a new video. And if you enjoyed this video today, and if you want to learn more about the stuffs, all you gotta do is just click the link below, right? The link right below this video, and you'll get 4 days video series training for free, where you actually are going to learn how to build a business online from scratch, going from not knowing anything to learn how to really how to really build a very powerful online business. So hope that you enjoy it. See you soon, and see you on the other side. Bye bye.